Hey, my dear friend, my name is Parth and I welcome you to our channel Must Watch Tips. So, are you tired of using the same old standard fonts and you want to inject some freshness and personality into your documents, presentations, and designs? Well, you are in luck. Welcome to our tutorial on how to install custom fonts in your system. And I mean to say how to use custom fonts in your Word or PowerPoint. So fonts are the building blocks of visual communication, and using unique custom fonts can elevate your creations from ordinary to extraordinary. So whether you are a designer who is looking to break the constraint of using standard fonts or simply someone who craves a little more excitement in their documents, this tutorial is for you. So watch this video till the end and explore the exciting world of custom fonts. Let's say goodbye to boring fonts and say hello to creativity. So the very first step is to download the custom fonts. So I'm here in the internet browser and I will search free fonts download, and this will land us to the page where there are different websites from where we can download fonts. So let me go to this website called www.fontspace.com, and here you can see that they have different fonts available, and on top of this they have bucketing as well. So you can choose from different styles, collections. So let me go to styles. And here you can see that there are predefined styles available. So there are fonts for weddings, calligraphy, cursive fonts, fonts you can use in invitations, tattoo as well. So let us go to cursive, and there are a bunch of fonts available which you can use. So for the meantime, let us use these fonts in our systems. So let me download this font, Emotional Rescue. I'll click on this button, and in the desktop, I'll create a new folder saying custom fonts version 1. And in this folder I'll save this zip file. So make sure when you download it is the zip file and not any other file, because zip file is the correct one where you can download the font, and if you download it in another format then you will end up downloading the wrong file. And now I'll click on save, and now let me go to that folder custom fonts version 1, and here you can see that we have the Emotional Rescue font zip file downloaded. But before we install this font, let me show you that this font named Emotional Rescue is not there in my system. So I just wanted to make sure that this font doesn't exist in my system before we install. So let me go to PowerPoint, and here you can see that we don't have Emotional E. So here you can see that we don't have that font installed. I'm searching in the E section, and even at the bottom, there are no such fonts. So let me close this. Let us check in Word also. And now if we go to E, anyway, we have the same listing of fonts which we have in Word and in PowerPoint. So now let us install this font. And as this is zip file, we need to unzip this. So I'll right click this and open with WinRAR. And let me extract this. And here you can see that this is the extracted folder. I'll click on this. And after extracting this, there are certain files available. So you can see that this is the MISC file. This is the main file which we want, this file. And this file is basically TTF file, which is called true type font. And let us double click on this file. And here you can see the preview. So this is how the font will look after installing. And here you have the option of installing it. So I'll click on this install button. And here we go. So we have successfully installed this font. And now let us check in Microsoft PowerPoint that whether this font is there in the system or not. So I'll click on blank presentation. And in this, let us go to E. Where is it? This is emotional rescue personal use. Now let us type hello world. And here you go. Even this font is available in Word as well. So let me go to Word, click on blank presentation, and let me select this font. Let us select emotional. Let us select that font, emotional rescue. And this is that easy. So this is how you can install custom fonts in your system, and you can use this in any of your office softwares. And make sure you download it from the trustworthy websites, because it may happen that when you download the file, the virus will also be downloaded in your system. So make sure you have antivirus activated. So I hope this video is very helpful to you, and now you will be able to use custom fonts in your presentations. Hit the subscribe button if you want more such videos like this. You can always visit our channel and explore new things like this. And now it's time to say you goodbye. See you in the next video.